Hi, I am Florian Edukaushi. This is my response to the garden simulator question. I'll explain the best data structure for the supply basket and the time complexities. 1. Best data structure and why. The best data structure for the supply basket is a stack, that is last in, first out. The reason being that the game requires that the player can only plant the seeds they most recently picked up until those seeds are used. That exactly matches last in, first out behavior. The last pile added must be used before earlier piles. Implementation details. Each stack element should store both the seed type, example pumpkin, and the quantity. So for example 25 or 10. When the player plants some seeds, it decrements the quantity on the top element. When it reaches 0, it pops the top element and continue with the next one. Now number 2, time complexity of adding new seeds. Adding new seeds is a push operation on the stack and is O1 time. If you use a dynamic array like a vector implementation, it's amortized to O1. If one uses a linked list stack, it's strictly O1. Number 3, time complexity of removing seeds. Removing seeds when planting is based on the top stack element. Decreasing the count of the top element is O1. Popping the top element when its count is 0 is also O1. So overall, removing seeds is O1 per remove or pop operation. If planting consumes multiple piles, one may do multiple O1 pops. So it is still O1 per pop. Number 4, the complexity of checking empty. Checking whether the supply basket is empty is simply checking stack size or top pointer, which is O1. Thank you for watching. That's my solution. I used a stack because of the last in, first out planting rule. Push, pop, and empty check are all O1. Alright, so to demonstrate how the supply basket class model will behave, using the garden simulator game. This is a sample code. So first we add a new pile of seeds to the basket, and then we remove seeds from the basket using this code by popping it out. Then we check whether the basket is empty, right? Using the code here. Then we add a seed to the basket. Then we pick at the top of the pile. So the last that came in now goes out using a pop. Then we remove the seed as planting, and check if the basket is empty after removing. So this is just a sample to explain how it works. Thank you.